Question number 64. We have to go from the options one more time. So let's look at option A. Statement 1 says all dot is line. Statement 6 says no space is line. Statement 2 says some dots is not space. Now here, if I draw a Venn diagram, all dot is line. Now statement 6 says no space is line, so space will always remain outside the set line. Hence, no dot can ever be space. So some dot is not space is absolutely correct. Whatever is true for the superset has to be true for the subset. Hence, 1 is a correct combination. Let's look at option B. Statement 2 says some dot is not space. Statement 6 says no space is line. And statement 4 says no point is space. Now look at the word point in this option. Point is neither defined in statement 2 nor is it defined in statement statement 6. Hence, any conclusion which has a variable which had not been defined in the conditional statements cannot be the correct conclusion. So B is wrong. Let's look at option C. Statement 4 says no point is space. Statement 5 says some point is line. Statement 6 says no space is line. If we can draw a diagram where some space becomes line, then obviously this conclusion will be false. So let's see. Statement 4 says no point is space. So we will keep point and space as separate sets. Now statement 5 says some point is line. Well, one way of drawing this is if all points become line, then also some points are line. That is true. Now here it says no space is line, but we can see that all space becomes line. Hence, this conclusion is also not valid. Similarly, option D. Statement 2 says some dot is not space. Statement 6 says no space is line. Statement 4 says no point is space. Again we see the introduction of a new element in the conclusion. The word point or the variable point has not been defined in statement 2 or statement 6. Hence, this is not a correct conclusion. So the answer is A.